Dear colleagues, in this video I am going to demonstrate my technique of doing capsulorhexis in intumescent cataracts using only HPMC as the viscoelastic substance. Two cases will be shown. This is the first case. By this time, main incision and one stab incision on the right side of the main incisions have been made. A big air bubble has been injected into the antechamber. Now trypan blue dye is being sprayed over the anterior capsule of the cataract. The dye is applied gently over the anterior capsule of the cataract and the air bubble pushes the dye onto the anterior capsule. Now the dye is washed out. Now viscoelastic substance 2% HPMC, hydroxypropyl methyl cellulose, is injected into the antechamber. Now I make another stab incision on the left side of the main incision for introduction of chopper. It is possible, very well possible, to do capsulorhexis using only HPMC as the viscoelastic substance. We are going to see in a short while. Now a bent cystatom, 26 gauge disposable bent cystatom, is used to incise the capsule like this, and a flap like this is raised. I hold this flap and make a very small rhexis. This small rhexis can be easily controlled if it tends to go to the periphery, but till now I haven't seen that it tends to go to the periphery because it is on the flat anterior pole of the cataract. And now I want to decrease the intralenticular pressure by removing some superficial cortical matter. In this case, I am just irrigating the capsular bag with BSS with the irrigating probe of bimanual IA, and the cortical matter of the lens is coming out through the main incision, and that's it. It is done. Now viscoelastic substance, again HPMC is injected. A Vanna scissor is taken and a small cut is given at the margin of this small rhexis at around 8 o'clock. And now I take the ureter forceps again, hold the capsular tag like this, and I enlarge the mini rhexis into an optimum sized one. Since the intralenticular pressure has been decreased, this capsule does not tend to go to the periphery. This is the second case. The capsule has been stained, viscoelastic substance is injected, and now with the 26 gauge bent cystatome, the capsule is incised. This is the stab incision through which the cystatome will go into the eye, and now this is the incision, the C-like incision has been made. I hold this capsular tag and make this rhexis on the flat anterior pole of the cataract, and that's it. Once this rhexis is done, this rhexis can endure lot of turbulence, lot of resistance, and I am irrigating the capsular bag with the irrigating probe with the bimanual IA, and in this case I am using the irrigation and aspiration simultaneously to aspirate some more lens matter, superficial cortical matter. Now the aspirating probe is through the 8 o'clock and it is aspirating the cortical matter from 1 o'clock. So enough intralenticular pressure has been decreased. Now HPMC is injected again. No other viscoelastic substance, only hydroxypropyl methyl cellulose. And now a cut is given on the anterior capsule on the margin of the minirhexis, and the glue is fixated and the rotator forceps is used to enlarge the rhexis like this. So it is very well possible to do rhexis using only hydroxypropyl methyl cellulose in intumescent cataracts. Hope these videos will be helpful in your practice.